Happy birthday! Yay! Yeehaw!
Wow!
Yay! Akin yan! Paputo ko yan! Akin yan! Yeehaw!
Ha?
Wow!
Kaya ano eh. Ayun naman pala.
Yay! Woo! Woo! Very nice. Very good view, huh? Good view. Wow.
Yeah.
That one's for you. That one's for Martin.
Oh, I need one double. Bing bing.
Yay! Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, short, huh? Short time.
Thank you. Ano na yun? Mga ano na yun? That's about $1,000.
$1,000 for this.
Probably.
No,
or
no,
$500.
No.
25,000. That is very expensive. You know?
No, somebody explained me from China. It's very cheap here.
In China.
In China, but
In China.
China.
But if you get it here, it's
You think it's
the markup that could be expensive already.
You see many food artifice French. In English? What is it? In English?
Firecracker.
What?
Fireworks?
Power.
Pyrotechnic.
Pyrotechnic. Is the same. Pyrotechnic, I know. Pyrotechnic, I know. Yeah.
Party time. Sarap ba ng cake? Courtesy of si Ma'am yan. Parang parating ako lang kumukuha, hindi ako nakikita. Sarap ng cake? Roka. Sarap. Super sarap, Roka.
Parang may kape, ano? Parang may kape.
Yata na may chocolate sa gitna.
Suabe. Akala nila, pinipicturean ko sila. Hindi nila alam. Pumusik pa sila.